Hi, today in this video you will learn how to use lazy row and column in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. First we create our project. Here I am selecting empty activity. Click on next. Name of your project and click on finish. In Jetpack Compose we have composables like column and row. These composables arrange the element vertically or horizontally. But when we need to display large number of items horizontally and vertically, then these column and row composable are not sufficient. So therefore, we have lazy composables in Jetpack Compose like row and column that arrange large number of items in a row or column. First, we explain lazy column. Lazy column is used to create a vertical scrolling list of items, or you can say it's a vertical recycler view. So let's understand with an example. So here we create a composable method. First we create the list that we want to display vertically. Now we will use lazy column. So lazy column is useful when dealing with a large set of data or dynamic content.
So here we simply use modifier to set the height and width. And now we set padding. Now here we use items. The item function is used to define the item that you want to display in the list. So this item function takes two parameters, the collection of items that you want to display. So here we call our list, and a lambda function that define how to compose each item. This is our lambda function. So the lambda function inside the items is called for each item in the collection. It is where you specify the UI representation of each item. Now here we call a function and now run the project. So here you can see lazy column create a vertical scrollable list. Similarly, lazy row create a horizontal scrollable list. So here we simply replace lazy column with lazy row. So here we replace lazy column with lazy row. And now run the project. So here you can see lazy row created a horizontal scrollable list. Now we will create custom list by using lazy row and column. So here we will use an image and a name. So first we add some images in drawable folder. So here you can see we added some images in drawable folder. Now we create a composable method and name it custom list. So here first we use a row composable that will arrange our image and text in a horizontal order. So first we set the alignment and then set the height. And here we set the background color. Now for images, we use image composable. So here we create a data class and name it. Here we pass two variables. Now here we create parameter of our image text. So here we use model dot image. Now we set the size. Now we use text composable. Get the name from model class. Now we set the size of the text. Now we create a composable method and name it image text list. So here we create a list. So here we create a list and here we pass our data class and now we add the items in our list. So first we pass our image. Here we use our images that we store in our drawable folder. Now we use lazy column to display our item vertically. Now here we use items and pass our list here. So here we use custom list. Here we specify our UI. Here we call our method image text list. So here first we create a row that arrange our image and text horizontally, and then we create a list of type image text data class, and then we add our data to the list, and then we use a lazy column that display the items vertically. Now run the project. So here you can see the output, our image and the text.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.